First views before sunrise. Looks like we're above the clouds this morning. Almost to the top. I think this is Moxie Bald Mountain? Moxie something mountain. I think the sun is rising over there. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I'm so hungry. I think I need to stop and eat first. Even though I'm so close. Oh man, you can see it right over the mountain. There's the sign for the summit, I think. So close, but so far. I made it. Wow. Let me give y'all a tour. Oh my god, this is so cool. Moxie Bald Mountain. A little windy, a little chilly. Worth it though. I wonder if Katahdin is a view from here. I bet it is, like on a clear day. Just don't know which direction. Look at that. Right before our eyes, the sun is peeking up behind those clouds. Whoa. This is what it's all about, folks. I've always said that, but this is what it's all about. Alright, sat here for a long while watching the sunrise and yeah, I'm gonna hit the trail again. It's really cold, but what a beautiful, beautiful morning. Alright, last of the sunrise content, but are you kidding me? That is like perfect. I don't know. I'm feeling really emotional today. I'm just like, I'm gonna miss this. Like, yes, I'm ready to be done, but like, I don't want it to end. I don't know how to explain it. A lot of like mixed feelings and I don't know. Oh boy. This is why my emotions have been like all over the place recently, I feel, because just kind of like feeling a lot of different feels. But yeah, I'm really excited to be here in this exact moment. Good morning, everybody. It's day 184. I think that's right. And it is my last day before the 100-mile wilderness, which, if anybody is unfamiliar, the 100-mile wilderness is essentially the last 100 miles leading up to Mount Katahdin. And so, yeah, I'm getting like really, really close, like within a week, which is crazy. But anyways, this morning I woke up early and did a little night hike up to the summit of Moxie Bald Mountain to watch the sunrise, and it was an incredible sunrise, one of my favorites of the trail so far, and just can't help but feeling like everything is my last. Like, I'm like, oh my goodness, like, was last night my last campfire? Was this morning my last sunrise hike? Going into town today, staying at Shaw's Hiker Hostel, my last hostel, probably my last resupply. It's just, everything is coming to a close. I have a lot of mixed feelings and emotions. Obviously, I'm ready to get home and see everybody again, but I just know, like, I'm gonna miss the trail so much. And this morning watching the sunrise, just such a overwhelming sense of peace. And yeah, I don't know what it's gonna be like after the trail. I'm kind of scared that it's just not gonna be the same, you know? But anyways, I've got a big day today, which is another reason why I kind of wanted to wake up and go watch the sunrise and just get some miles in before the sun came up. I think it's like 22 miles to Shaw's, and there is a barbecue place in town. I need to double check and make sure that they're open, but hopefully if I get to town in time, I can hit up the barbecue place. But I'm gonna have a lot to do this evening, so I got like a big day of hiking, which luckily Moxie Bald Mountain is the only climb of the day, and then it looks like it's pretty cruisy into town, so I think it should be a fairly decent easy hike for the rest of the day. But yeah, big mileage day, and then lots to do. I've got to work on getting videos edited and uploaded because I'm like really behind on that. So I'm going to do that tonight, and then obviously got to like figure out my resupply situation for the 100-mile wilderness. I know Shaw's does a food drop like halfway through that you can pay for, so I think I might do that. Otherwise, you know, carrying 6 days of food is a lot heavy. So yeah, and then just a lot of like logistics to kind of try to work through this afternoon before entering the 100 miles. So lots to do, big day. I'm gonna get going, but I'll keep y'all posted along the way. Time for second breakfast. Not a bad place to stop.
Cozy, comfy, cozy.
Another water crossing that I'm not gonna be able to keep my feet dry. I think this time I'm gonna take my insoles and socks, like take my insoles out of my shoes, take my socks off, and that way just my shoes get wet, but my insoles and socks will hopefully still be dry. I don't know. I don't know if that's really gonna help at all, since like obviously I'm gonna be putting them back in wet shoes, but worth a try. Okay, I think that was a really good idea actually. My feet didn't get totally submerged, just like the toes got a little wet, but I can already tell it's way better than like if I would have had my insoles and socks on. So highly recommend if you don't have good water crossing shoes. Like I just have these like really crappy Dollar General flip-flops. There's like no grip on these, so like they would be useless. I would just slide off the rocks and whatnot. So if you don't have good water crossing shoes, highly recommend just taking off your socks and taking off the inserts. Yeah. Kind of a cool looking blaze right here. Haven't seen anything like that before. Really cool actually. Oh.
My Croc.
Just a little deep.
Nice. There you go.
It's really cold. All right, we survived the Brook crossing, and there's another one in point 4. So Sunrise is just hiking in his Crocs now. Alright, made it across, and using the little patch of sunlight here to do its best to dry out my trail runners and my feet. So, yup. Third water ford of the day. This one is much more calm than the last, and it doesn't look that deep, but I also can't really see the bottom towards the middle, so I don't know. Look how pretty though. Looky what we have here. A little snake. Oh. It's been so long since I've seen a snake. Like, I want to say like 4 or 5 states. I don't even remember the last one I saw.
If you were going to...
Made it to Shaw's. Pretty iconic.